Hey guys, did you miss me? I'll bet you did. Terribly too, right? I am going to show you how to make another Caketastic Cakes video decoration. We're going to be making Olaf. And once again, blah, 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 like and subscribe. It really does help me out though. So, okay, anyway, stick a big old egg-shaped piece of gum paste right through the center of it. That's going to be his big fat lower body. You make a small tear-shaped part and add a little bit of water, push it on. That's going to become his middle part of his body, and we want it tear-shaped because he's going to be having his head at an angle. Take a small ball and flatten the top and bottom. Impale one of those right onto the stick. That's going to be one foot. The other foot's going to be kicking out to the side, so a little bit of water. Stick the other one off to the side, pretty much anywhere you want. To make his head, start with an oval, press down the top and the bottom of it, leave the middle part sticking up, and then pinch the top and bottom. Leave the middle fat, but pinch it off so the head and the chin taper off. Hollow out the mouth. I don't know what that tool is called, but I found it in a Wilton kit. And hollow it out. That's going to be the mouth. The other two holes I'm making right there are going to be the eyes. That's going to be where the nose goes. And you fill in the eyes with white balls and then black pupils. The mouth you're going to fill in with just like a triangle of black and smooth it out. Make sure it's nice and smooth though, and don't go too deep with it. Outline his eyes with some really thin pieces of black gum paste. Don't go all the way around and don't give him eyelashes. This is going to be his eyebrow. Basically make a small happy face and cut it in half. So his eyebrows are thick in the center and thin off to the side. Once again, a little bit of water puts everything in place. And now he's not so creepy looking. And now he has a nose. It was just a piece of orange that I rolled into a log and tapered off and stuck in there. That little, what is that, a rhombus? Is going to be his teeth. Once again, a little bit of water. Just pop it into place and press it up. And then shove that head on top of that lollipop stick. Those little points I just made in is where the hair is going to go. I just took some black and spiked it and stuck it in there. Make sure you press it in good. He's already looking so good. And to make his arms, I took, instead of lollipop sticks, I'm being creative and I'm using Q-tip sticks. So I cut the Q-tip part off. And that way that's nice and thin but very strong, because I have to mail these guys, so they have to be pretty tough. If you're doing it at home, you can be much more liberal with poses and everything. So yeah, just wrap it up in black, roll it out thin, cut little wedges in the end to make his fingers, and it's good. Stick it in the middle body. Add 3 pieces of black gum paste to make his charcoal button things. And make sure you put the last one off to the side because his body's twisting. And that's it. He's done. He's really not hard. I say that for all of them, but I really mean it. And once again, if you like, please like. If you found this helpful, please subscribe so you can find me again. I'm always coming out with new things. If you guys have anything in particular, you can comment, ask me to make something or to show you how to make it, and I'll see what I can do. Thank you very much. Bye.